Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Hello. Well, should I say good morning? It is Wednesday, April 8th, 2026. I am making this introduction video. I made one the other day. Have been on camera in a while, so I'm decided to do this. Welcome to my grocery channel. Thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoy what I have to share today. And behind me is a setting for my crafting channel, because I also do a collaboration Wednesdays on my crafting channel, and I have collaborations on my gardening channel Thursdays and Saturdays. If you'd like to join me, look for the link on this channel and click on it and go on over there. And if you are new, visitors, passerbys, looky-loos, nosy eyes, and whatever else I say, trolls. If you are returning and you haven't subscribed, please take the time and hit the subscription button, because it seems like if you're going to keep returning, you must have some interest in what I'm doing over here, even though it's not a lot, but I do what I can, sharing a little news, my grocery hauls, and pantry maintenance, all that goings on, and stuff like that. And if that's your interest, then hey, you're in the right place. You found me, you discovered me, so enjoy. And yeah, the background, I'm getting ready. You probably can't see it that well. I'm just blocking everything, but that's okay. I welcome you, appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here to join me today. I'm going to be sharing another grocery haul, and I did mention my crafting channel and my garden channel. Going over to the garden channel, see what I'm doing over there, and today, later on, go and check out and see what I've shared on my crafting channel. I'm sure you'll enjoy it, and especially if you're keeping up with me over here, you're definitely going to want to keep up with me over on my other two channels. I also have a clothing channel, but I have to put something up on there if you like plus size hauls and all that stuff. Just haven't gotten around to doing it, but I really need to do that. Hope you guys are all well. Oh, okay, so I wonder if any of you guys checked out that new movie I was telling you about. This is the second video of today I'm putting out to catch up on my work for this channel. And I want to just thank everyone that continues to support me. And for content creators returning, and if you find that you're unsubscribed, please take the time to subscribe back to the channel. You know these things happen now and then. Well, what can, besides that, oh, my trailer been acting crazy. It took me forever to put a video up the other day, and I apologize for my trailer. I gotta redo my trailer. My computer is acting crazy. It's taking hours on hours. My back's sore. I can't sit there and do it. Oh, it's just crazy sometimes. trying to put these videos up and hope everything go as planned, but sometimes it doesn't, and it just could be sitting there for hours trying to put up one little video. And that's what happened the other day. And hopefully today it won't do that. So let's get to the grocery haul, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget, hype the video, subscribe, like, comment, share if you want to. And y'all have a good day. And don't forget to invite me to your channel if you are a content creator making great content, even if it's not great. I don't know why I said that. I'll come and support you as you are supporting me over here. And thank you. Y'all have a great day. Bye for now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here is my grocery haul for today. And if you are returning visitors, passy-bys, looky-loos, stop-bys, nosy eyes, trolleys, you might have forgotten to subscribe. So here's your chance. Hit that subscription button, hit that notification bell, and like, and come back in 24 hours and comment. That's the choice they have on here. If you're a new subscriber, they have other choices, but on my channel, 24 hours after subscribing, then come back and you can leave a comment. It's not that hard. It's absolutely free, all of this. And I hope you guys consider it. Now, for the ones of you visitors, passy-bys, looky-loos, stop-bys, nosy eyes, trolleys, and content creators, if you have subscribed previously and you find yourself unsubscribed, take the time and subscribe. Hit that subscription button back again, because sometimes that happens. Folks get unsubscribed even without them knowing. But you will know if you try to comment, and you can't because you're not subscribed. So take the time, if you have it, to please subscribe back. And welcome back to the subscribers and returning subscribers, content creators that have subscribed. Thank you so much for your support and your encouragement, inspiration. Here I am back again with more grocery hauls to share with you today. And before I forget, let me share something that I've been trying to share forever. It's this movie. I don't know if y'all watched it or not. It's called Housemaid. That is the craziest stuff ever. Whoever wrote that, excellent work. I mean, it is, oh my goodness, from the beginning to the end, non-stop entertainment. That's what I'm talking about. A movie should be. No boring moments. Nothing like that at all. This movie is good through and through. Housemaid. It is now on, I believe it's Stars. You have to watch this movie. It will blow your mind, if it can be blown. But that is a good movie. It is so much crazy psychological drama going on. Oh my goodness, it is such a ride. Oh my goodness, you will enjoy, or probably, I don't know, you might be thinking you want to turn, or you can't, because it's riveting, as they say, and you'll just have to you'll be glued to the TV. That's all I got to say. That Housemaid movie is numero uno. I don't know why I didn't get the Academy Award. I don't know how that worked. That needs Oscars. Just like I think the people that played in The Color Purple, good through and through. A lot of them people in the movie The Color Purple should have all got Oscars. Excellent movie, The Color Purple. If you haven't seen it, with Whoopi Goldberg, and when Oprah was real, Oprah played the hell out of her part. Whoopi did, and everybody else. Danny Glover, all of these characters. It was so good, The Color Purple. But this new movie, Housemaid, check it out if you want to see something that is so good. If you haven't watched a good movie, check that movie out. And on another note, what else is going on? So stuff is happening in the world. And this is why I'm stocking up on certain stuff that will last me through the year, especially my cornmeal. I cannot run out of cornmeal because I love making cornbread, corn muffins, and everything else I use cornmeal for. Put it on fish, chicken, all kinds of stuff. Cornmeal, we love cornmeal. So I stocked up, which will take me through the year, these 4 boxes of Albert yellow cornmeal. I tried the white, but I like the yellow. And also stocked up on some more of the Louisiana fish fry, the lemon with the lemon. Get 3 of those. That's good enough to last. And had to get some more sour cream. That's used in so many entrees, dishes, meals. Oh my goodness. Sour cream, oh yes. And if y'all haven't heard, I've been seeing videos across social media with informing folks of, because of the gas goings on and what's happening, certain food items may be hard to obtain, or it might be, the price may be increased. Did you hear about Amazon charging extra change because of the gas prices? Yes, that's going on. So they passing this increase in price onto the consumer. So I've been seeing these social media videos talking about certain items might not be available, or they could go up in price. And if you've been doing your research, investigating and all that, you might want to stock up on certain things that you use throughout the year. Medicines, food, personal hygienes, just things in general that you use on a regular basis, and you notice the price going up. And if you've seen it going up more than once or twice or 3-4 times, you need to start stocking up on, at least try to get you through a few months or through the year something. It's up to you. I'm just here to share what I see going on social media. I believe it's trending, so some of you might know that that is happening in real time. Get what you need while it is at a reasonable price, if you can, because I know the struggle. If you don't have the money, you just can't get it. And the pantries and stuff, they're having their issues. So hey, things are going on in the world. So if you can do it, get it, and make for those, and for those that can't, then you have to be creative and clever and make do with what you have. Stretch. Well, if you got the flour, the sugar, the cornmeal, and all that stuff, stretch all that, and you can make bigger meals when you home cook. When you cook from home, from scratch, you can make more of something. You can add so many different things to a pot of stew, some beans and all that, bread and all that stuff like that. Because I've been making my bread, biscuits, rolls, my cornbread, pancakes, all kind of stuff from scratch, and it actually saves money. But that's it. I did share I had the pizza crust. I got stocked up on that, and the pizza sauce, and this will last me throughout the year. We want pizza, like for example today we're having pizza, fried chicken, and I'm making a small thing of spaghetti. That's dinner for today. And I want to thank you guys once again for coming through and supporting me. Don't forget about my gardening channel, my crafting channel. If you haven't, subscribe over there. If you enjoy what's happening over here, if you like the personality, the sound of the voice, all these things matter, the mood, then please subscribe to my gardening and crafting channel. If not so much, then I understand. Really, I do. Okay, y'all. Thanks so much. And once again, happy shopping. Have a great day. And take care. Until the next time. Bye for now. Two 5-pound ground beef. These things, $19 a piece. Got that. I got 2 big old bags of cheese. They got the shark. They got the Mexican style cheese. Oh, we own it. We own it. My babe got us 3 packs of chicken wings. We got some oil. And what else? What else? I got some, I don't know, I got all kind of other stuff that will be shared in another video, probably, or maybe this video. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.